Welcome to the future of work, where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it's the engine driving industries forward. In this video, we'll explore the AI skills you need to master for a thriving career in the future job market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking to future-proof your career, understanding AI is no longer optional. It's essential. Let's dive into the top AI skills that will set you apart. 1. Machine learning, ML. First up, machine learning, the backbone of AI. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Mastering supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning will make you an invaluable asset in industries like finance, healthcare, and tech. Tools like TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn are essential for any aspiring machine learning engineer. 2. Natural language processing, NLP. Next, natural language processing is revolutionizing how we communicate with machines. From chatbots to translation services, NLP powers applications that understand and generate human language. Skills in text analysis, sentiment analysis, and speech recognition are in high demand. Familiarize yourself with tools like Spacey, Hugging Face, and GPT models to stay ahead. 3. Data analysis and visualization. In the world of AI, data is king. Companies are drowning in data, and they need experts who can analyze, interpret, and visualize it effectively. Mastering tools like Python, R, and visualization libraries such as Matplotlib, Tableau, and Power BI will empower you to extract meaningful insights from vast datasets. Number 4. AI ethics and bias mitigation. As AI becomes more pervasive, the conversation around AI ethics is growing louder. Ensuring that AI models are fair, transparent, and free from bias is crucial. Understanding AI ethics, bias mitigation, and compliance with regulatory standards will not only protect businesses from legal risks, but also build trust with users and stakeholders. 5. Robotics and automation. Another key area is robotics and automation. AI is driving advancements in autonomous vehicles, manufacturing, and smart cities. If you're interested in engineering and physical systems, learning how to design and develop intelligent robots can open up roles in sectors like logistics, agriculture, and beyond. Master platforms like ROS, Robot Operating System, and tools like PyRobot. 6. Deep learning. A deeper layer of AI, deep learning, is where neural networks come into play. This is the technology behind self-driving cars, facial recognition, and real-time language translation. To master deep learning, get comfortable with neural networks, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, using tools like PyTorch and TensorFlow. 7. AI in cloud computing. Cloud computing is the infrastructure that powers AI at scale. Learning how to deploy and manage AI models on platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure will give you a significant advantage. Cloud-based AI services provide the computing power and storage needed to run advanced models without expensive on-premise hardware. The future of work is not just about knowing how to use AI, it's about shaping it. By mastering these AI skills, you'll be ready to take on the challenges of tomorrow and lead the transformation in your industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on how to stay ahead in the evolving world of technology. Let's build the future together.